Are you looking for an easy way to monitor your sales progress and make data-driven decisions in real time? In this quick guide, we're going to show you exactly how to monitor your sales progress with Apollo.io, a powerful tool that can help streamline your sales processes and track your performance more effectively. Apollo.io offers a comprehensive set of features that can truly revolutionize your sales tracking. First things first, when you sign up for Apollo.io, you get access to their robust CRM system, which gives you full visibility over your leads, prospects, and customer interactions. It's like a bird's eye view of your entire sales pipeline, and it's designed to help you keep tabs on where each prospect is in their journey. One of the key features to start with is the sales dashboard. The Apollo.io dashboard is clean, user-friendly, and packed with essential data. You'll see key metrics like lead conversion rates, sales rep performance, and overall pipeline health, all in one place. The best part? You can customize this dashboard to show the metrics that matter most to you. Whether you want to track daily, weekly, or monthly sales progress, the flexibility here is invaluable. When you monitor your sales progress with Apollo.io, you can also dive into more detailed analytics. For example, you can track how well specific email campaigns or outreach efforts are performing. Apollo.io's integration with email tracking allows you to see who's opening your emails and clicking on links. This helps you gauge the interest levels of your prospects and adjust your sales tactics accordingly. Another great feature for monitoring your sales progress is the automated reporting Apollo.io offers. Instead of manually tracking each sale or lead interaction, you can set up automatic reports that will send you updates on your progress. This means you can get insights delivered straight to your inbox without lifting a finger, the real-time tracking within Apollo. IO allows you to respond quickly if your sales are dipping or if a particular area of your pipeline isn't moving as expected. By keeping a close eye on this data, you can course correct before things get off track, ensuring that your sales team stays on target. One feature that's a game changer for monitoring sales progress is Apollo.io's forecasting tools. These tools analyze your pipeline and predict how much revenue you can expect to generate in the coming weeks or months based on current trends. By using these forecasts, you can set realistic goals and better allocate resources. If you're managing a team, Apollo.io makes it simple to monitor individual sales rep performance too. With leaderboards and performance tracking, you can see which reps are excelling and which ones might need additional training or support. This gives you a clear picture of your team's strengths and areas for improvement. For those of you looking to monitor your sales progress and really dig into data, Apollo.io also allows you to segment your audience. This means you can track specific groups of prospects, leads, or customers, and measure how each segment is performing differently. By isolating certain variables, you can make more precise adjustments and fine-tune your sales strategies. Now, here's something you won't want to miss. We've got an exclusive offer for you to try Apollo.io completely free with extended bonuses that you can't get anywhere else. Click the link below to sign up and start monitoring your sales progress today. So, whether you're new to Apollo.io or just looking to improve how you track your sales, these features can give you real-time insights and help you make informed decisions. Don't forget to check the link below for that exclusive free trial and unlock all these benefits for yourself. Thanks for watching.